Alright, bad bro. Just one thing more I put in your contract. So we only obligated to 1 month if you train somebody after 3 months.
Alright, so only that?
Brother, the only problem I have with that still, you know. I do like a 1 month thing. Can't do 2 weeks.
Yo, yeah, man, son. That's unreasonable vicious. We're good with that, man.
Peace.
Alright. I get them things rectifying at the contract, you know. And then I get back to, you know. Come on, show you the rest of the place.
No, you're talking.
So yeah man, so it's like storage here, right? You know what I mean?
So alright now.
Just building materials, you know, to finish and done build all of the place upstairs, you know what I mean?
So, you don't have nothing personal when I go store in here, so different from when the building material then come out.
No man, I just anything that you want to store in it.
Now, what is bro? What I'm going for that, sir?
You know, say if I one room we put on, you know, enough anybody will come out of town and then book the venue and then want to rest them in. You can stay right there, so.
That makes sense now. Go.
Yeah, man. This make a whole heap of sense.
So tell me, what kind of vision you have for the place?
First thing for do have to call a spade, you hear that? You have to remember where we're there. Now it's easy to get enough people over here.
That's why we make the place look how it look. You know what I mean? We put up one decent place where look good. When I put up my little cab thing.
That's one thing, you know, father. You really have to remember here out there. Now. Remember Spain this. And it have a bad reputation.
So what I say? It can't work?
And that's what we are saying now. We just have to expect a miracle overnight.
We have to pre the marketing still in our brother. Can't just a pre-party thing, you hear that? We have to link it with something else, man.
Okay, alright, explain and make me understand.
I mean, I say, instead of just pre the place as a party spot, we don't just pre it as a historic spot.
Really? And watch you know, people them can pre Spanish town as history, brother. You see that the spot this and the one in Spanish town.
So we link with all the museum, we can get some of them historical things them to come display up here. So you can get some tourists and things to come see what go on done.
You know, so I never did a pre that way there. Makes sense.
That may I say, brother. We just start this as a party spot. People are going to know if them safe. You see me how them car are going to park up and them go back to see spot alone and all of them little stuff there. You get me I say?
Remember, the party thing are really nice, you know, father. You see me, so we have to do things like that and make the people them say, yeah, them safe. You see me?
Yeah man, we can get a couple bus load of tourists and them thing them and come park up out the door man and full up the place, you hear that? But then go and see what go on for the thing them.
Well, as long as they know that them in the town and them feel safe, that's good.
Safe? If the people then see, white people them, oh you mean if they're safer than a cave?
Yeah man, that they really safe them in a Scotia where they want to put their money in the safe.
Our place, father, you know.
I like the idea, you know. Love how the man them a think outside of the box. So, sort out the contract thing and just get back to, you know, and make we get the ball rolling one night time then. You want to think about that?
That's a pose man.
Oh, why not talk about manners? One more than the beer props, because I want to make a Solomon in that place. A wise man build that place, I know.
Boss, man.
The contractor them go a good job, you know. I just say them just start out the money for sharp edge there that somebody don't get damaged. You know what I mean? One.
Glad you remember it.
I know I see if it come first.
Definitely. I don't need it, man. Sorry. I am great, you know? Bartender, you don't know my thing already, you know. At Magnum. Yeah, good day. Oh, this Maureen? Yes, man, I saw you the other day at Jewel's. You have a set of tourists with you. I hear that you offer service. Think it's, the name is Allergy Tours. Do you ever think about having a business partner? Because I hear that it's a very good business, you know.
Well, you know what me want to know? Well, my cousin and him Sunday.
You asked the wrong person.
Well, you asked the wrong person too. We can keep doing this. You see what I mean?
Then suppose me tell you, say me have proof. Say you have somebody down at the registry. We are digging on my profile and find my date of birth certificate.
Very resourceful, I say. I suppose me tell you, say, me know for a fact, say somebody will work for you, threaten my cousin, make him and him son have gone in hiding.
Carlton, where my daughter there?
Well, she's with her mom. And both of them safe from you. Tony, you really kidnap your own daughter? That's very low of you.
Watch your man. Me no kidnap my daughter. Her mother trying to take her away from me.
I wonder why. PTSD. Tony, you ever think about getting therapy?
Some of me get this straight. You be very childish. So you not only shut me out at every business deal when I go offer, but you interfere in my personal life, my family, you take with my daughter, Carlton.